Welcome back.
Welcome back.
Welcome back.
Welcome back.
Yeah.
Welcome back to what?
The PawPaw and the Creature feature.
YouTube channel?
Yeah, you're my best friend.
I know. You're my best friend too. All three of you.
You get my cup, man.
It's your cup for you.
Yeah.
Alright, what are we going to do today, fellas? We got to introduce our two new compadres. Who's that over there?
Turtle. Turtleinator.
Featured on that
Your brother?
declinator.
Yes.
Your brother?
Yes.
Turtle.
Say hi, Turtle.
Turtle.
Come over here where you're supposed to be.
Turtle.
Who are you? Are you the frog? Are you the frog? Look at the camera. Say hi, people.
Hi, people.
Say I'm the frog.
It's funny. Nature.
And this is the creature feature.
Mm-hmm.
We got Grady the bug, Declan the turtle, and Cyrus the frog.
Hi. I do now, Papa.
What are we doing today?
We are building the Monster Burger Lego set.
The Monster Burger?
Lego set.
Yeah. This Monster Burger monster truck.
Mm-hmm.
Monster Burger. Yeah,
Okay.
I've got that right
You
here.
got the doggy right there?
Yeah, they don't right here.
Well, first we have to show Turtle's self-owned build. He built it himself.
Yeah, I walked the door.
It's a Star Wars Lego set.
Yeah,
The carrots go back in.
Huh?
The carrot goes in the box.
It does.
Falls. Yeah.
Okay, he did this one on his own. Took him a few days, but he did it. Huh.
but make
Alright, we'll put this over here.
Yeah. So,
Alright.
dog guy.
Here's the dog. Show the dog to the camera.
There's dog.
We have some pre-assembled parts. Huh?
Yeah, Papa found this
Alright.
thing.
Bug, start us off with a joke.
Papa.
What do you got?
Milk, milk.
You got nothing?
Papa.
Knock knock.
Papa.
Who's there?
Put that way too.
Nunya.
None ya who?
Put that way.
None ya business.
Okay,
I have a joke.
What you got? Come over this way so they can see you.
None.
What?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
None.
None what?
Onion.
Onion?
Yes.
You got a joke?
I told you, Joe.
You told a joke?
Nature.
Tell a joke to the camera.
Nature. Toil.
You're a Ninja Toyo.
Yo, you're a ninja frog.
Here.
Or
Come
like
over here.
Papa.
Get up.
Papa, that guy got.
Alright, now get up there. Alright, we got section 1 here.
Papa. That guy got
Yeah,
the
look at
hat.
Okay, we're going to start. You want to do section 1?
Yep. I
Alright.
want white one.
Is that a light?
Don't know.
Yep.
Okay, we already put the characters together. He's good to go.
Yeah, I put.
Alright, Boog,
Oh, wait, put
you
those.
need... Alright, we got this one put together. Times 2.
We will 1, 2. Oh, that.
Alright. Alright, now we
I
need...
need dog.
Okay. That's good.
Already built.
This is easy, huh?
Yeah.
There's the dog.
You don't even have to do anything.
Hang on to the dog. There's frog. Dog and frog. That's you. Oh, yeah? Are you barking? There you go. Okay, bark at the camera. You're a frog, not a dog.
I just want to whisper the camera.
Okay. Here.
I
You
need
this? No, that's the other section, remember? That's section 2. We're doing section 1 right now. Here we go. What was the joke you told me earlier?
What did chicken
What
crust?
was the joke you told me earlier
I don't want to do it anymore.
about Amazon?
I already did it wrong.
You didn't do it on camera? Go ahead. Tell it.
Why did the chicken... What did the chicken say when he flied over Amazon?
The chicken. I thought it was a bird.
Oh, okay. Oh, it was a bird. What did the bird say when he flew over Amazon?
When he flied?
Yeah.
You mean when he flew over Amazon?
Flew over Amazon.
What did he say?
Cheep, cheep. Oh, geek, geek.
Because Amazon's cheap?
No, he...
Well, we take a break anyways. So we can...
A little history about Legos. Did you know that the Lego group got its start in the carpentry workshop of Elke Christensen? He started making wooden toys in 1932. He began calling his company Lego in 1934, based upon the Danish phrase "leg godt," which means play well. The Lego group began making its famous plastic interlocking blocks in 1949. Back to the video, for now.
Yep. We're back.
Go back
What did we do while we were off camera?
We built a little bit of this
Yeah.
in the car
Papa.
Bug did first couple
Papa.
thing.
pages.
In the bunk.
Butter.
Which one are we doing?
Butter.
Yeah, we're making Monster Burger.
Yes.
Do you want to show the people?
Yes.
Here, hold the book, hold the
Chair's
box
right
up.
here.
Okay, we're making a Monster Burger. Look over that way.
Butter.
Monster Burger. The Lego Monster Truck, huh?
You put that way.
Or there's burgers.
Yeah.
We didn't build that much without you.
I need that toy.
All right.
We built
I
some
need
cake.
this toy. I need this toy.
All right, turtle.
Moo! Ow!
Hey, dude. I
Ow!
don't know what a dog sounds like.
Ow!
He's a frog, not a wolf.
There you go, turtle. Tell the cat to get down off the camera.
Get a camel cat.
Get off the camera,
Where
cat.
did these go?
Get off.
Put these in first.
Like this.
Hey, get away from there. Come on.
And then
Come on, get up here.
Yeah, cat.
She's all right. Come on,
I can cook.
frog.
what do I do now?
They go right there, beside that. Right there, see it?
Right here?
No, right beside the other one there. No, right here.
Right here?
Yep.
I.
You higher than the other ones? See how they're higher than the other ones?
Like
Yeah,
this.
it's up there.
Papa. 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 It's hi.
All right.
I want tire. I want tire.
You one time.
Bye bye. Bye.
Also, did you know? The very first Lego bricks sets were produced starting in 1949, and were virtual clones of earlier UK Kiddicraft block sets which were only patented in Britain, France and Switzerland. From 1949 to 53 the first Lego sets were called automatic binding bricks, and had those words written in large letters on the box.
We're back from that little short building.
Break.
Yeah.
Building break.
The building break.
Get over here on the corner so they can see you.
Building break.
Keep running off. All right, we're back. We got some more put together.
Yeah, me too.
You too.
Yeah.
You put more together too?
Yeah.
All right, you want to put the stacks on? Huh?
Dad.
Hey, you want to put the stacks on?
Dad.
Tell people on the camera. You want to put the stacks on. Alright, where'd it go? Here, put that down. Put it down. Here. Goes right in that hole.
Do I eat this?
No, this way. See? See this end?
Yeah.
Goes right in there. Put it in there. Slide it in there.
I can't. Too hard.
Push. Push. There you go. See, it wasn't too hard. Now put this one over in the same place. There, bubble at the top. You good. Push it in. There you go. See?
And make my chop.
Tell the people on camera you did it.
We did this.
Look at the camera. See, I did it.
We did this.
All right.
We fly.
It goes. Says turn it. See where it says turn it around?
Oh, yep.
No.
So this one will face this way.
Yep.
No, Daddy.
Yep.
Okay, so the light does face.
Apparently we lost the turtle.
Kill you? No.
Oh, I hit the wild turtle.
Wild turtle.
Yeah, he's right there.
Is it an angry turtle?
Ow.
Are you an angry turtle?
I know, but he still has his egg tooth.
Oh.
All right, turtle.
What does he still have his egg? He still has his.
Settle down, dude.
He still has his egg tooth.
Be loud.
He still has his egg tooth.
Turtle.
Which an egg tooth is what the turtle uses to cut its shell open
Turtle,
and get
turtle,
out
turtle.
of its little egg.
Apparently this goes over here. Turtle's out of commission right now.
Yeah, he's got it under the table.
Yeah.
And he's eating a snake. Not sure what kind of turtle eats a snake, but okay.
Turtle snake.
Sizzlebeer. He's eating a sizzlebeer that used a flamethrower inside of his belly. That ain't quite.
Got a tiny problem here.
His baby bird from the inside out.
Baby bird from the inside out.
Because a sizzlebeer just used flamethrower inside of his belly.
In case you're wondering why they're still in their pajamas, it's because of this.
Snake.
Because you're off school right now, huh?
Yep.
How come?
Because of the coronavirus outbreak or something.
There I go. Pieces around.
It was all the way
You got this guy over here stacking tires and playing with stuff.
Yep.
Say hi.
Hi. Papa. That be lava books. That be
Yeah,
lava
it is.
books.
Okay, we did this section. Two of these. One of these. One of these. We lay out all our pieces by the color and what type they are.
Papa.
By bag. This is the first bag. We got the second bag over there, the third bag there.
Papa.
We got ham over here.
Papa.
Are you turtle or ham? Are you ham?
No.
Huh? Do you like ham?
Yeah.
You do?
Papa, this is Papa. Papa.
What?
This is Papa.
Yeah? Yeah, try handling this every day. Since school's out. That's why Momo's downstairs. Taking a break. Huh? Alright. We got, show it to the camera, dude.
So I haven't gotten this piece on.
Oh, you got the other piece. Get back over here. That's where we're at so far. We'll be back after a little more.
Yep. Bye.
A little more about the Lego. Did you know that the Lego brick is the company's most important product? Did you also know that the Lego was named the toy of the century not just once but twice? Legos have undergone extensive development over the years and it still remains one of the world's most enjoyed toys by kids today.
Die.
What? Alright, ready?
Box die.
Now we're back.
What? We're back.
We're back.
We're back again.
In a
A little technical difficulty with one of the pieces, but we figured it
Where
out.
did the other toys go?
Right here.
No, there was more.
Hey, tell the camera we're back.
There's
I'm
more.
back.
There's
No,
only
smile at him. Say we're back.
I'm back.
Wave at him. All right. Well, we had a little technical difficulty, but we got it figured out. Don't know how the ladder works.
Papa.
What?
So the steps.
Oh.
You're gonna pull that out. You're gonna pull that out.
Papa.
That's why I got it. All right, crazy
Keep
dog.
it like that.
Crazy dude.
Why
Okay.
do you put the wheels on? It still look like a bastard,
Check.
kind of.
Tell them we're doing bag one. You gotta get on the camera. What? Bag one? All right, bag one is done. So that's gonna end this part of this video. Bag one is done. That does, you're right. Say bag one is done.
That one's done.
Say bag one is done.
That one's done.
Tell the camera. Bag one is done. Hey,
five
you're
is
not gonna be strong. Chill out, frog.
Baby frog.
Frog, not dog. All right,
Dog,
well,
dog.
we'll be back for bag number 2. Like and subscribe. Hey, look at the camera. Say like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Yes. Come on.
Say subscribe.
10,000 subscribers.
Say like.
Guys.
Like
10,000 subscribers.
10,000. That's a lot.
Maybe a million.
All right, we'll see you on the next bag.
More than a million.
Thanks for watching. These crazy
Subscribe
nuts.
to our videos if you
The
want.
PawPaw the Creature feature. Till next time.
I'm not as crazy,
next time.
but I'm very more mutated than
on this
them.
video.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Muted.
Mutated.
Mutated.
Papa, you do this.
Spin.
Oh yeah, I almost forgot. We're gonna show you a little sneak peek of our prototype upcoming monster truck build.
Yep. This is a prototype of our next build
Uh-huh.
after the semi that we're building.
Yeah.
I've seen a couple pictures of that. And a little sneak peek. Not going to show you all of it yet, are we?
Yeah, because we want it to be a surprise.
Yeah. So, check it out. Stay tuned.
To see what it.
Like
We'll
and
look
subscribe. We'll have plenty of videos on the build. And what else?
I don't know.
Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
Mhm.
Right?
Mhm.
Okay, thanks. We'll see you on the next one.
Uh-huh. Wait, why didn't that work?